Hey everyone, it's Tana here from Textdrip. Are you struggling with low engagement? If people aren't responding, then the problem may not be your messages at all. It may be the recognition. One simple but powerful way to do that is by adding in your business name to the first message of your drip campaign. This helps to build trust, improve deliverability, and increase engagement with your audience. And now we've made it much easier to add your business name during the registration process. When you register, you'll be asked to provide your full business name. You'll also see an option to add your short business name too as well. For an example, if your business name on your EIN is Tana Life Coaching Incorporation, you might choose a short version like Tana Life Coaching LLC or just Tana's Coaching. Now, why keep it short? Well, it saves character space in your messages. It also makes your text feel more natural and more conversational, but most importantly, it still builds the same level with trust with your audience. Now, once your short business name is approved, you can automatically include it at the beginning of your first message in your drip campaign by just selecting this box here. Next, we're going to go into how to add this within your drip campaign. Now, in Textdrip, you can manually add it anywhere in your campaigns. Now, you can do that by going to your drip campaigns. When you are creating a drip campaign, you can just copy and paste here from the short business name field. You can also manually add it anywhere in your campaigns, not just the first message. Just simply copy and paste where it says short business name here, and then add this into your drip campaign, and it's going to automatically insert your approved short business name every single time your campaign runs like any other merge fields. Now, adding your business name, even in short form, helps your audience to instantly recognize who's reaching out. It's a small step that makes a big difference in your campaign's performance and customer trust. Start personalizing your drips today. Your future engagement rates will thank you. Bye, everybody.